A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. I welcome all the students who are present here and all those aspirants who are watching us online. So we have come up with a new session on ISRO Assistant, UDC and JPA. And in today's session, we are going to practice few important questions on general awareness. Okay. So this is set number 1. So the outline of today's session will be like this. We will ask one-liner question. Okay. So we will not give any option to you. Okay. Just we will ask one question from general awareness. Okay. And these questions which we have compiled in this session are asked in other competitive examination, including DRDO, other SSC exam as well. Okay. The third point is that we will not discuss the answer in detail. I will give you a short glimpse of the answer, but I will not discuss in detail. Okay. Short I will tell you, but not in detail. Okay. So let's begin the session. So as you know, we have made various videos on ISRO Assistant, Junior Assistant, UDC, and as you can see, we have recently released current affairs for sports, static ISRO questions, and current affairs ISRO. Okay, and these are other important previous year question video that we have made. Okay, so we have solved, as you know, we have solved for year 2010, 12, 14 and 16. Okay, so this is in our playlist. You can have a look on that. Okay, so coming to the practice set number 1, I request all the students to answer along with me so that you can benefit from that. Okay, so the first question for today's session is, which was the first newspaper in India? Yes, first newspaper. Anyone here? Yes, it's Bengal Gazette. Okay, Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Okay, so whenever you see this question, first newspaper, in your mind automatically what should come? What is the name of that newspaper? So it is Bengal Gazette. It is also known as Calcutta Advertiser. Okay, Calcutta Advertiser. Okay. The second important point you should remember whenever you see the first newspaper question, it was brought in 1780. Okay, 1780. Who has brought? One Irishman was there. Okay, his name is James Augustus Hickey. Okay, James Augustus Hickey. Okay, so since he was the publisher of this paper, so it is well popularly known as Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Okay, and as you know, the name also suggests Bengal, so it was released in Kolkata. Okay, now it's Kolkata. Previously it was known as Calcutta. Third thing you should know about the first newspaper is that this James Hickey was an Irishman. Okay, he was an Irishman. Okay, there are some other newspaper after this Bengal Gazette, like Madras Gazette was there, Bombay Gazette was there, but the first is always important from the exam point of view. Okay, so understood, Hickey's Bengal Gazette is the first newspaper of India. Coming to the next question, how many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? Yes, it's very simple. Who said 7? It's not 7, dear. It's 6. Okay, so one, right to property. Okay, right to property was removed by the Constitution. Right to property was removed by the Constitution amendment. Okay, so we have only 6 fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution at present. Okay, coming to the next question, Who is known as father of computer? Since you are using a computer left and right, and those who are watching us online, they can also relate with this. Who is father of computer? Student, remember, father of computer is called Charles Babbage. Okay, he is a one of the mechanical engineer, as well as you can say it is he was a designer, and whatever he has designed at that time, it is the foundation of today's digital computer. So whatever the component he have thought of while making computer, so the same component we are using in this today's scenario. Okay, so that's why he is known as father of computer. Okay, coming to the next question. Insulin was discovered by whom? Yes, so whenever you see a word insulin, directly in your mind you should strike three things. First thing is that insulin is basically related to diabetes. Okay, so whenever a person is having lack of insulin, means he is suffering from diabetes. Okay, there are two type of diabetes, diabetes 1 and diabetes 2. I am not going in detail, but still I am telling you. Okay, the second thing directly in your mind should come, where is insulin produced naturally? So the answer should be pancreas. Okay, in pancreas this insulin is produced, pancreas. Okay, and what is insulin? Basically it is a hormone. Okay, it is a hormone which control the body glucose level. Okay, hormone. So this is very important hormone for the body, and it was discovered by J. Banting. Okay, it is F. Banting. It was discovered by Banting. Remember, it was discovered by Banting. Okay, I hope you are enjoying this session. We have made practice set 1, so that if you have any information about these questions, you can easily recollect or revise those questions. Okay, let's see the next question. What is the full form of ASCII? Okay, this is again computer related. So ASCII, as you know, our computer is using some coding format. Whatever the characters you are seeing, basically they are encoded in the computer, and the full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The other thing you need to know, there are two ASCII format. One is 7-bit and other is 8-bit. Okay, let's see the next question. Which of the following is the second largest continent in the world after Asia? Okay, so as you know, the Asia is the largest continent, so it is the first continent or the largest continent in the world. Okay, so the second one is, remember student, it's Africa. Okay, so Africa is the second continent. So if I ask one more question, what is the third largest continent of the world after Asia and Africa? What your answer should be? Yes, it's North America, not Australia. It's North America. It is the third largest continent in the world after Asia and Africa. Okay, let's see the next question. Where did Buddha attain enlightenment? Okay, where did Buddha attain enlightenment? Student, this is very important question from all competitive exam point of view. So whenever you see this word Buddha, immediately your mind should strike 3-4 things. What? His actual name was Siddhartha Gautam. Okay, and there are certain places that you should remember. Okay, he was born in Lumbini. Lumbini, it is in Nepal right now. Okay, the second important thing is he attained enlightenment where? At Bodh Gaya. Okay, enlightenment, let's see the answer, it's Bodh Gaya. So enlightenment he get at Bodh Gaya. It is in Bihar right now. It is in Bihar, Bodh Gaya. Okay, enlightenment. Okay, after enlightenment he gave his first sermon. Okay, first discourse, you can say. First sermon, where did he give? He gave at Sarnath. Okay, sorry. Okay, and the last thing is, where did he get nirvana? Nirvana means, you can say, he got died, or he got relief from all the material aspects. So nirvana, where did he get? He get in Kushinagar. It is in UP. Okay, so Kushinagar, it is in UP. So student, these four things you should always remember whenever this Buddha thing come into your mind. Okay, let's see the next question. In which year did Jallianwala Bagh incident take place? Again, if you have this word Jallianwala Bagh, there are certain things you should note down. Okay, the first one is that it is in Amritsar, it is in Punjab. Okay, and in which year it held? It held in 1919, more precisely 13th April. Why this date is important? Because in that Jallianwala Bagh massacre, almost 1500 people were died innocently. Okay, and who have gave this order? It's General Dyer. Okay, General Dyer has given this order. Okay, and why people were there? It was event of Baisakhi. Okay, it was event of Baisakhi. It is in January month. Okay, and why they were at that place? They were against Rowlatt Act, basically. Okay, you would also remember Rowlatt Act. So there was an act where any British can put you down in jail without any reason. Okay, so you can not have any judicial thing as well. Okay, so Rowlatt Act, it is against Rowlatt Act, and the order was given by General Dyer, and this General Dyer was killed by Udham Singh, Sardar Udham Singh in 1940. Okay, it was killed by Sardar Udham Singh, and he has taken the revenge. Okay, so the answer for this question is 1919, 13th April. Okay, let's see the next question. Calcium deficiency mainly occur in the absence of which vitamin? A very simple one, it's vitamin D. And whenever you see calcium deficiency or vitamin D deficiency, you should know, due to deficiency of vitamin, the deficiency disease is rickets. Okay, you should make a concept map, right? So whenever you see a word calcium deficiency, directly your mind should strike its lack of vitamin D, and vitamin D lack leads to deficiency disease, that is rickets. Okay, it is from the scheme related. What is the minimum amount that can be deposited per year under Pradhan Mantri Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana? It is 250 student. In 2014 it is raised to 1000. Okay, let's see the next question. Which of the following is soda lime? It is a very common material which we are using in our daily life. So it is NaOH. It is not an A capital. It is sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide. Okay, let's see the next question. Who was the poet of Samundragupta? Okay, so he is very popularly known as Hari Sen. Okay, Hari Sen. So Hari Sen was the poet of Samundragupta. I'm not going in detail about all this history. Okay, let's see the next question. In which organ blood is stored? Can you tell anyone? Yes, it's spleen. Remember students, spleen is the organ where your blood gets stored. So whenever you see a word blood, you should know who has given this concept of blood group. His name was Landsteiner. Okay, and what can else we have from blood group? We have RBC, WBC and plasma. Okay, so whenever you have a clotting, what basically is making that? It is platelets. Okay, platelets. It is also found in blood. Okay, let's see the next question. Buddha delivered his first sermon at, recently we have seen it's Sarnath, Varanasi. Just now we have seen in the previous slide. Okay, Sarnath, Buddha delivered first sermon. Okay, let's see the next question. Who propounded atomic theory? Okay, so whenever you see a word atom, it's basically an atom consists of a nucleus and some orbits are there in which electrons are revolving. Okay, so an atom consists of electron. Who was discovered by electron? This is J.J. Thomson. Okay, so J.J. Thomson discovered electron. Then proton. Proton was discovered by whom? Yes, proton was discovered by whom? Yes, everybody, right. Let's see the next. Electron, proton and neutron. Yes, anybody? Yes, it's James Chadwick. Right. Yes, you are right. So who has propounded this atomic theory? Yes, it's John Dalton. Okay, so John Dalton is the correct answer for this question. Who propounded atomic theory? John Dalton. Okay, let's see the next question. What is the position of Mars from Sun among the 8 planets? So right now we have 8 planets that you should know. Pluto is being discarded because it is not fulfilling certain criteria. So what is the position of Mars from the Sun? It's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So it is the 4th position. Okay, quickly moving to the next question. The dance form Sataria originate in which state? The dance form you should know, and it is a very popular and very important dance form, and it is from Assam. Okay, quickly move to the next question. Right to clean water is a fundamental right. Okay, student, remember, right to clean water is also a fundamental right, and it comes under Article 21. Okay, Article 21, you should remember. Let's see the next question. Who was awarded Padma Shri at age of 126? This is current affair question and very important, student. Okay, and remember, it's Swami Sivananda. Okay, Swami Sivananda got awarded Padma Shri at age of 126 years. Okay, quickly moving to the next. Which of the following is not an abiotic? So there are 2 type of component, biotic and abiotic. Biotic are basically living, so plant are living, so plants is not an abiotic, it is a biotic component. What is the theme of Aero Show? Okay, so there are a certain Aero Show, and last time it happened in your Bangalore, and it is in Yelahanka, and the theme was the runway to the billion opportunity. It was the theme. Okay, these are some static current affairs question that you need to remember. There is no go back, right? Coming to the next, this is again a very important but a very simple one. It is the foundation of Indian National Congress, because it was basically a very old political group. Okay, so Indian National Congress was established, you should know, it was established by A.O. Hume in 1885. Okay, 1885, A.O. Hume has established this Indian National Congress. Okay, coming to the next question. Which of the following dance form is derived from martial art? As you know, there are many dance form, but the main important dance form is Chow. Okay, Chow is basically derived from the martial art. And the last question for today's practice set, xylem transport what? Okay, there are 2 components in the plant, xylem and phloem. Xylem transport water, whereas phloem transport food. Okay, so that's it, student. We have seen 25 questions related to some general awareness. Okay, so we have made various other video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe it. We have made Let's Solve PYQ related videos in our playlist, And Mission ISRO, there is one other playlist for those candidates who are preparing for ISRO Assistant, UDC and JPA. Okay, so that's all, and if you have anything to question, you can ask in our comment box. We will very happy to answer those questions. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.